Today we're going to install a small barn door extension bracket.
Okay, first things first, we need to remove this upper trim and the door card. Remove these two clips. And then push up on this door trim to get it to come off. Working your way around the door card, pop the clips. Once you've popped the clips, make sure you remove this plastic trim around the door handle. Then we need to remove this plastic windshield. Undo the 2 bolts in here for the check strap and the 1 bolt here. Now we've removed the check strap, we need to remove the pin that's in through here. We find the easiest way is to grind the head off the pin here and punch it through.
In the kit, you should receive an extension bracket, cap screw with nylock nut, and a Tek screw. You can use the Tek screw into the bracket if you need to make it a little more rigid. Once the old bracket is removed, reinstall the check strap into the barn door. Once you've tightened up the check strap, you can grab the extension bracket. Fit the extension bracket to the check strap with the cap screw and nylock. Do this up firm but not too tight. Check the extension can still hinge on the bracket freely. As you can see, there is a slot in the bracket so you can adjust how much the barn door opens. Please be aware that if it opens too far, it may break your tail light.